my unboxing video of the portable power station model R300. The reason I purchased this product is it's both lightweight, powerful, and it's capable of powering my electronics for on-the-go travel, emergency situations. And we're going to do a little unboxing today. Open it up and take a look and see what's inside the package here. Nice thin box. Everything on the outside here just kind of tells you a little bit about the product. Solar charging, you can power this remotely with solar charging and then charge all sorts of different electronic devices. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So first pull out the side box. And this will be the charger that it comes with. This is a 19-volt charger here. And this unit will plug into the wall to charge the device itself here. It says that it's about 8 hours to plug and play this into full charge for the device. And then, pretty simple, we just got the unit right here. Nice and compact. Easily to move, lightweight enough that I can take it where I need to go, and a bunch of different features on it. The benefit of something like this is it can do both AC and DC power output. So I can plug my phones, laptops, small TVs, even my CPAP machines and other devices into this, where I can use this on the go or even at home for emergency situations. So, a few features that I've got here. Just turn the power on. Automatically, we're connected to the DC power. I can plug in any of my devices, my phone, any of my small devices that I just want to power off, both my USB ports here and then my Type-C port at the bottom. So if I have a Type-C port that I need to charge it off. Simple power input right here. And then the nice thing about this feature is it has 2 AC outputs. And the AC outputs are going to power my television, small TVs, small refrigerators, or if I'm out camping, any other like things, lights and stuff like that I want to plug into the device right here. So pretty straightforward. Once the power's on, I can plug into the DC here and then switch it with my button here to just turn the AC on. I get full controller readout, my battery level here. It also tells me what wattage and what output is coming out from the device here. So pretty simple. And then another great feature just this has is an emergency option. You can turn this around and we've got different lights with 3 different light modes. So if I was on the road or I needed to use this in an emergency situation, this is a great little product to do that with. Yeah, all together it's pretty simple. I'm probably planning on using this with my camping trips, taking it with me on adventures, and then storing it at home for an emergency use if I ever needed to have an emergency power access, something like that. Great little product, and I'm really excited to get using it.